So right now we are using Canva to create the theme of the month. If you don't have Canva, you have to go to Play Store and tap Canva. Then you can download Canva design app into your phone. I already have Canva, so it showed update on my phone, which means I don't need to download again. I don't even want to update, so I won't tap on update. All I need to do now is to go back to my menu in my phone and then tap open Canva. So if you now have Canva in your phone, tap on Canva, it opens up, and let's see what we have to design here. It's a very easy platform to use. I encourage you go use it, play with it, and you get to understand more about it. Okay, it's loading up. All I need us to use for today is to look for A4 landscape. So just go to the search bar and write A4 landscape. Once you tap on the search bar up here, you will notice the A4 landscape. Okay, I'm typing now A4 landscape on the search bar. Okay, you can see the different options it has given me. I want the one that is for landscape. I tap on it and it opens up for me. Okay, so if you look at it, there are so many templates, about 1,609 templates that has been provided. Some are pro, that means you need to pay. Some has been written paid, you need to pay also if you need to use those ones. And you can see those ones are more beautiful and more colorful. As you become a pro, you might need to pay for it if you need to use it. But for now, because of what you really want to use it for, you don't need to pay for it. You can just pick any template that does not have a paid or pro button attached to it. So let's just keep searching. Let's search and get something beautiful. Let's search and get something beautiful. Okay, so I tapped on the blue template there, and we are going to be working with that. It's very, very easy and straightforward. Let's wait for it to open up for us. Okay, so that's the template I tapped on. That's the template I tapped on. So this is what will appear on your screen, and once it appears on your screen, you are ready to design. You don't need to be a great graphics designer to use Canva. So this is Canva for you. Okay, you can see once you want to design with Canva, you tap on the plus button, which we have just seen, and then it will take you to many other options. So you see, I tapped on text. I'm looking for a text. So I will use the biggest option up there, the biggest font, which is the add a heading, the biggest font of add a heading, and see how it came out. So what I need to type here is December theme. December theme. Okay, I've started typing now. Just go to your keypad and type December theme. That's all you need to do. I'm typing it. Let's just wait for it to load up. Okay, December theme is ready. So what's our theme of the month? Let's look for a theme. For pro parenting, pro parents clubhouse, we'll be using pro parenting theme, which is pro parenting plan, making your pro parenting plan. So for our December theme, I'll be writing pro parenting plan. And as you can see, you can use the font size. Just play around with this. You can use the font size to change the font. You can tap on it and then change the figures. I changed it from 31 to 50. Just play around with this. When you are done changing the font size, you can see the font size is now bigger. So you can also drag. Look at the small button there. I'm holding it down, I'm dragging it. You can drag it to make it bigger or smaller depending on what you really want. Okay, and now let's get to the theme itself. I've already told you we are using pro parenting plans as a theme of the month. Okay, so I have tapped on the what I wrote initially and I have copied it, or you can as well go back to text and tap on text. It will give you this and then you start typing all over again. So there are two ways. Is either you use the copy button, tap on it and copy, duplicate it and then start correcting, or you go to text, tap on text again and then type all over again depending on what you want. So I have tapped on it because I don't want it to be as big as that. I have reduced it. I have told you you can touch the circle there, drag it to become small or drag it to become bigger depending on the size you want. Or you can tap on it, go to font size and reduce the size by putting in the figures that you want. So I want this to be bigger. I've typed it. That's a theme of the month, pro parenting plan. And once you type, okay, you can see what it looks like and it doesn't really look fine to me. So what do I need to do? I'm going to reduce the theme and I'll make the theme to be bigger, and then December theme I'll make it smaller so that it can look more beautiful. So just tap and drag to make it big or small. You can as well change the color. You go to the bar, you see where to change the color, and then just tap on color and change the color. So that is that. So just walk around this icon on the downward part of your phone. Tap on anything, they try to apply it. The more you work on it, the easier it will become. Okay, so now we need to add a Bible verse. I've told you that I usually like to add a Bible verse to my theme of the month. So let's take, for instance, I want to use Proverbs chapter 5, verse 12. So all I need to do is go to the plus button, type on text, and then type what I want. And then you can as well type the words, the Bible verse itself, what Proverbs 5:12 says. It depends on what it says. I don't even know what it says. I'm just using this as an example. And then you are done. Your design is ready. You don't need to do something so big and all of that. You are just starting. You'll get to know better. So once this is done, you can use either of these two arrow buttons up here to download into your phone. If you use the downward button, but I prefer you use the one on the right, the one going up, uploading. So you tap on the upload and wait for it to upload into your phone. Okay, as you can see, when you tap, it takes you to this interface, and you tap on download, it takes you to this interface where you suggested PNG. Please don't click PNG. All you need to do is go to the arrow and click JPEG, JPG. Click on the arrow, it will give you options and it will take you to JPG. So click on JPG and then go back to download. Once you click on the download, just wait for it to download into your phone. As you can see, designing is very, very easy. Working with Canva is very easy. And now it has downloaded into your phone. So you go out of this page and then go to your file to ensure that it's in your phone. Tap on your file, go to images. It depends on what is in your file. If it is pictures, you go to your pictures. I've tapped on it. Let's wait for it to open up. And you can see it is there. That's the last design I have on my phone. So this is it. When you tap on that, you can now share with me. So creating your theme of the month is very easy.